Ahmadis have been deprived of their basic human right for a long time in their beloved country, Pakistan. Dictator Zia-ul-Haq made a law in 1984 to take away the religious freedom of Ahmadis. So far, cases have been registered against thousands of Ahmadis on the basis of this discriminatory law, in which countless Ahmadis have been arrested. Ahmadi places of worship have been sealed. The homes and shops of Ahmadis have been burnt. Law enforcement agencies are also involved in this oppression of Ahmadis along with the extremist elements. In the year 2023, terrorist outfits launched a systematic campaign to prevent Ahmadis from performing animal sacrifices. Lahore, Sargodha, and Islamabad bar associations, claiming to uphold and protect the law, wrote to the government to stop Ahmadis from performing this sacrifice. Religious extremists gave requests in different police stations to prevent Ahmadis from performing the sacrifice. As a result, the Punjab police harassed Ahmadis in 90 different places to please these extremists and prevented them from performing the Eid prayer at 4 places. In several areas, the police announced in mosques that Ahmadis should not offer sacrifice. Ahmadis were forced to take surety bonds. 6 cases were established against 13 Ahmadis, and 7 Ahmadis were arrested for performing Qurbani in different districts. 10 animals were illegally seized by the police. The police illegally searched the houses of 5 Ahmadis and confiscated meat from these houses. At 11 places, miscreants harassed Ahmadis, forcibly preventing them from performing sacrifices on the occasion of Eid al-Adha. Harassing Ahmadis and taking extra-legal action on the part of the government administration are regrettable and shameful. In multiple districts, miscreants demonstrated their immorality by peeking into the houses of Ahmadis, finding an excuse to cause mischief if the Ahmadis were offering sacrifice. The spokesperson of the Ahmadiyya community stated that these events of violating the human rights of Ahmadis under the pretext of using the sacred name of religion are becoming a source of ridicule for our beloved country, due to the extremist elements and the support given to them by the police. Meanwhile, the government is providing the global fraternity with a lesson to respect all religions and reject the mindset of discrimination. We demand that baseless cases against Ahmadis regarding their alleged involvement in sacrificial rituals be dismissed. Innocent Ahmadis should be set free immediately, and immediate steps be taken to ensure the religious freedom of Ahmadis. The steps taken by the government administration to register baseless cases against Ahmadis, forcibly taking surety bonds from Ahmadis, and preventing them from performing sacrifices are a clear violation of Article 20 of the Constitution of Pakistan and the judgment given on 12 January 2022 by the 2-member bench of the Supreme Court, consisting of Justice Mansoor Ali Shah Sahib and Justice Aminuddin Khan Sahib. The Supreme Court had declared that Ahmadis have complete freedom to practice their religion within their 4 walls.